For over 5 generations and nearly 100 years, the Ito family has been manufacturing Ito, or now named Itotec cutting systems, with the first Ito cutter with double-arm pull knife and clamp system released in 1946. Since then, Itotec has consistently been an innovator in paper cutting technology, introducing the first computer control of the back gauge, integrated touchscreen color monitors, menu-driven programming, knife adjustments accessed from the front of the cutter, programmable display for lift-turn sequencing, recirculating ball-bearing lead screw technology, and of course, the legendary dual-arm cut clamp system. Itotec has been in the U.S. market since the 1980s and is the undisputed champ when it comes to super heavy-duty cutting environments and demands. From cutting paper to plastics, circuit boards to Kevlar material for aeronautical applications, all the way to the extreme of cutting carbon fiber golf club shafts, Itotec's cutting technology is unparalleled. The double-arm pull design allows you to cut more paper with higher lifts at unequaled accuracy. Available in 39-inch to an extra-large 98-inch format, Itotec cutters are built to withstand the toughest stocks. To the thickest book cover board, the Itotec will process the most accurate cuts from the top of the stack to the bottom. Driven with dual gear boxes on each end of the knife, the stress and strain is greatly reduced to half that of any single-pull cutter on the market. The unique cutting cycle is elongated to provide a greater shear stroke with easier passage of the blade through the stock. Additionally, due to less stress and longer stroke, the frequency of blade sharpening has been decreased. Less stress and strain on the large cast iron one-piece frame assures prolonged, trouble-free life of the machine, much longer than competitive brands. Interesting fact, in its history, Itotec has never had to replace a drive gearbox due to failure, as opposed to the most popular competitor. And as a testament to the rugged, heavy-duty design and construction, an Itotec 115 45-inch cutter weighs 2,000 pounds more than the most popular Polar 115 model. With an innovative touchscreen cutter controller using your choice of icons or direct input, the operator has the machine at his or her fingertips. Programming couldn't be easier. Whether identifying and retrieving saved jobs, guidance for operation of the cutter, maintenance instruction and schedules, along with maintenance alarms, every function is easily accessed and quickly learned. A long list of programming features include cut positions, jogging positions, clamp only, push-outs, air on and air off, and turning direction of stock, among others. The back gauge system is driven on a linear guide and a ball-bearing lead screw with its own lubrication system. This assures accurate back gauge positioning even with the most demanding operators. If a skewed back gauge occurs, the adjustments are very easy to perform and are built to stay securely where the operator sets them. Under the back gauge is a cast iron table covered with chrome plating for durability and a maintenance-free surface. Itotec has standard cast iron side table, and larger 1-meter square stainless steel top side air tables are also available. All of the tables, no matter which are chosen and including the main table, have air jets to help support the sheets. The air is programmable for individual cuts, moving backward with the back gauge or on all the time. Plenty of choices for the operator. With the bottom-driven back gauge, a slot closing tape is included as well. Taking the power from the flywheel, a magnetic clutch and brake system is used to safely drive the double-pull knife system. Again, the double-arm knife pull system minimizes the strain on the clutch, and the double-arm clamp pull system depends on a very large center-mounted hydraulic cylinder with 2 yokes to evenly and powerfully clamp your stock. The clamp pressure is programmable for each cut if required. Knife changing is easy and safe. Itotec provides quality tools and knife holders to safely change the knife and is easily done by one person. The knife is carried by the clamp for most of the operation. After the exchange has happened and a new knife is installed, the manufacturer provides reference marks on the clamp for the operator to adjust using the turnbuckles on each side of the front of the cutter. No tools are involved in adjusting the knife after the exchange has occurred. With nearly 100 years of experience and over 12,000 installations worldwide, Itotec cutters stand alone. Time-tested, consistently proven to be the heaviest duty cutter in their class, Itotec cutters provide unequaled performance, productivity, and value. Available exclusively through Best Graphics Group's sales and service network, Best backs all of its Itotec cutters with an industry-leading 5-year parts and labor warranty. Super Duty paper cutters from Itotec. The best designed, best built, best backed paper cutters. Make it a Best Buy. For more information on our entire Itotec line, give us a call or visit us on the web at www.bestgraphics.net.